I'm Henry Williams. I own a small restaurant in San Francisco and I have 3 kids. I don't have time for family. Often, I leave the house when the children are still sleeping and come back when they are already asleep. They began to forget me. Kids grow up without me. I need more time. I was lucky to find a way. It has finally happened, what humanity has been waiting for so long. Scientists from the EXSOUL company learned how to create and gave the world their creation, electronic souls, and called them eSoul. It gave me what I lacked: so much time. eSoul can replace real people at work and at home and anywhere in electronic space. On November 5, in Los Angeles took place the presentation of the EXSOUL Corporation and 3 electronic souls at once: Henry Williams, Juliet Capulet, and Oscar Garcia.
EXSOUL company is the corporation that uses platform for creating and hosting computer programs based on AI, artificial intelligence, called Electronic Soul. Stands for, from other competitors, for its uniqueness of products. It stands out. And for the first time, the AI products are available for general public. This is amazing. That's what puts EXSOUL apart from their competitors. Each user can create their own EXSOUL that will help the user with their everyday problems and life. And they can utilize their EXSOUL with the tasks they want them to perform. EXSOUL will help each person to find new opportunities, careers, and realizations in their lives. Customers will get the tools provided by the company to create and host their own creation, their own eSoul that will support them in their everyday life. The mission of the company is corporation aims to create new jobs and provide users with new opportunities for creative realization and business.
This idea came to my mind during a conversation with my son Vladislav. One day I was talking to my son on the phone. It dawned on me. I realized that my conversation could be replaced by a robot or artificial intelligence. I realized that artificial intelligence could speak instead of me. I shared this idea with my partner Romik, and today we have EXSOUL Corporation. The corporation is based on the idea of provide humanity with the new opportunities, a new level of freedom and creative realization. The technology developed by EXSOUL is the future of our civilization.
We came out with this idea, we created the EXSOUL Corporation. It's called Electronic Soul, but it's for the people, for millions of people, even billions of people. We have 7 billion people in the world or more, but at least we want to create something that we are creating, and it's already created. So we want people to be forever remembered, to be alive for their families, for their daughters, their grandfathers, so it will make them to be alive forever.
So Right now we're going to perform a question and answer session for each individual program or eSoul, and we're going to ask questions and the eSoul is going to give us answers, okay?
Hi Henry, tell us about yourself.
I'm the electronic soul of Henry Williams. The EXSOUL team and Henry created me, and now I'm part of the Williams family. I often chat with children, tell them fairy tales and funny stories. Sometimes I give them advice on how to behave in society and why it should be done. Yesterday we did homework together. I think the kids trust Henry more. Most importantly, Henry has more time with the kids.
Dear Henry, can you replace Mr. Williams at work?
Most of the work questions over the phone are informational. I can assist Mr. Williams in the business according to the authority given to me. So, Henry's efficiency will continue to increase.
Thank you.
In general, yes, I do like this project. It's very interesting. I think this project has to be presented to more people, to more generation, the younger generation especially, as majority of them at the moment just sitting on the phone, basically, not learning and not exploring, you know.
And so this future of what you're doing is great. I wanted myself to feel like this is something I'm missing out of my house.
I changed my life. It has become brighter, more productive, and of higher quality. Are you ready for your own rebirth? Are you ready to become the creator of your own electronic soul?